The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado emergency for Kiowa County. This includes the city of Greensburg. At 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, train weather spotters spotted a large wedge tornado near Greensburg moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Greensburg by 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Seek shelter immediately. Move to the lowest level of your home if no closets are available. Stay away from all windows until the storm has passed. Tornado Watch 445 remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday morning for western Kansas and northern Oklahoma and northwest Texas and southwestern Colorado. Repeating, a tornado emergency has been issued until 10:30 p.m. CDT for Kiowa County.